Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and today we're going to go over what comes in the Top Flite F6F Hellcat combo kit. So what we're going to go over today is just the pneumatic version. It is available in electric also. So let's start over here. I'll move these over out of the way a little bit. So the first part is your mains. It's our 150-W, and so let's open this package up so that you can see what the main retracts look like. Get the packing paper out of the way. So you get your warnings and precautions, of course, your axle bag with your 2 set screws, and your spare parts list. I'm just gonna go ahead and just open up one set of retracts, but it does come with a pair. Like I said, it is available in electric also, but today what we'll do is we'll just go over the pneumatics. Does have your catch, so that will hold the gear up in the up locked position. And get this operating. There we go. All right, let's just go over the features of the gear real quick. This is our 150 platform, full frames, your up lock position here. This is an over center to help you with your landing. So in a full lock out strut, this is a rotation. So if you do watch your torque link, you can see that this gear does rotate up and then rotates back down. The white on this is powder coating. This is not paint. So this will last for a lot longer than your typical paint. So like our typical robo struts are sprayed with a primer, and then you can come over and paint them white. In this situation, what we have done, worked directly with Top Flite and got them an upgrade with a powder coating. Also, as you can see on the bottom, you have these 2 set screws that will help you adjust your toe in and out on your wheel. Rotation occurs up here in the ball link, so that will rotate your gear. And like I said before, it does have the up locks, so when it is in the retracted position. So those are your mains. The wheels themselves, these are a 5-inch wheel, Hellcat design on them. I'll just go ahead and crack one open. Again, this is an upgrade from paint. This is a powder coating. You do have your spoking pattern, as well as some really wonderful scale looks, as you can see with the detail on the rim here. And then on the other side, it is a solid spoke pattern. These are 5 inchers, but they are a little bit off from 5 inches. So if you do ask for replacement tires at any point, make sure that you do purchase or call us at 630-584-7616 and request the Hellcat replacement tires. Those are your mains, your main wheels. Let's put those off to the side. Now we get into the tail retract. This is a 160 platform. Again, with some upgrades. So the upgrades for the 160 platform, or your frame assembly, is powder coated white. Your steering arm, powder coated white, and then your yoke assembly is powder coated white. So when this is in the deployed position in the plane, you really get a wonderful scale look. So a couple of the features of the 160 is the over center portion here, so that will lock out, and then you do also have a strut in here. So this has a spring and a rubber component in here. So that's where you get your strutting to help smooth out those landings. This does over center to lock that out. It is a pull steering with dual centering springs. We'll go over to the tail wheel itself. The tail wheel, again, additional scale looks here. So this is the tail wheel for the Hellcat. As you can see, the holes in here for the scale look, as well as the upgraded powder coating. We have also included a set of our foam inserts. This tire here is hollow, and so if you would like to add some additional support, we do offer the foam inserts that do come with the combo kit. So if you've got any questions on the combo kit for your Top Flite F6F Hellcat, give us a call at 630-584-7616 or check us out online at www.robart.com or follow us at Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Have a great day.